guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a hair install, and the wig we're working on was sent over by Jessieswig. They sent over a balayage wig in 24 or 26, I'm not sure, but I'm going to have the right details in the description box below. And then it's a 9x6 lace, which is very, very beautiful and very special. And I'm also going to get into the cap construction and the lace shortly. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. I have to stand so I can show you guys this part of the video before we get into the more relaxed part. This is how the construction of the wig is. So basically it's with the M wig cap. What that means is it is nicely adjusted. You know how you wear closure wigs? Well, focus. You know how you wear closure wigs and then it's not properly adjusted to your ear? You cannot properly put it like behind your ear because obviously it's a closure wig. Well, they've kind of fixed that for us, which I'm so excited about, because when you wear closure wigs, you know how the sides just kind of flap and they fall on your ears and it's so uncomfortable. That is fixed with this wig. It comes with 2 combs inside the wig. It also comes with this sticky part inside that further helps with the grip of the wig, because this wig is definitely a glueless type wig. So with all these reinforcements and cap construction, you can definitely wear this wig glueless. I like all the reinforcements in this wig. Like, it comes with a band, it comes with the comb. The wig cap that the wig was constructed on, if you guys can see, is very different from the normal wig cap that you would expect from your wigs when you buy them. This I'm very excited about, because once you see this in a wig, just know that the wig is going to fit snug, that you don't have to do too much to wear this wig. It will literally be a wear and go type wig, and I'm going to obviously test that out with you guys. And the lace comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-customized, all that good stuff with all this reinforcement and the M wig cap. The most important thing I'm excited for this wig is the M wig cap. It's nice that they also included what the cap looks like. So this is the cap that they used in making the wig. So this is what your wig would look like if you buy it. This is what they mean by the M cap. Do you see how comfortable it is right here to just like swoop down your hair? So your hair will typically fall right here and you're able to swoop it, which I'm going to do when I wear the wig. You guys will see. But this is what the M cap looks like. You see, nicely constructed. So this is the wig on my head without any my usual got-to-be or adhesive. This is what they mean by you can actually tuck it behind your ear. Do you see? It comfortably falls like this. And then in terms of the grip, this is what the grip is like. I don't have the right color of wig cap on for sure. I have the transparent one and it's not my skin tone, so just ignore that. It would blend better if I have the right color of wig cap, but then this is completely glueless, so this is what it would look like. Let's test this out. Let's see if it's going to stay when I do all my movements. Okay. My neck actually hurts from doing this, but yeah, it stays in place. Obviously your hair is going to get messy, but it does stay in place. It's not going anywhere. It is secure. Okay. I'll blend in the lace more with my skin. You guys are going to watch me. Oh my god, I'm out of breath from doing that. But this is literally, I can't stop flipping my hair just to make sure. Yeah, obviously when you move it, it moves a little bit, but this is glueless. Like, this is snug. Like, I could feel it on my skin, but obviously it's not like painful or anything. It's just snug on my head. I'm not going to be bothered about the wind. Melt it a bit more to my head, you know, kind of tint it with some foundation or pop some powder just for it to, you know, blend in with my skin a bit more, and then like do the touches with it. But like, this is actually good. You can wear it without actually doing anything to it. And then the part, I have the wrong lace, that's why you see this. The wrong wig cap, that's why you see this. But the length of the part, it is long. It's a 9x6, and then the 9x6 lace is pretty much somewhere here to here, which is enough lace, like a lot of lace to work with. You can wear this wig and style it to look like a frontal and no one would know that it's just a closure. This is going to be an easy everyday type wig for me. And the density in this hair, you guys, the density is crazy. Like, this hair is thick. Like, it is thick thick. Let's get into the video while I melt the lace and all that. But I just wanted to show you guys real quick and easy way to wear it. Let's go and melt the lace and do all that, okay? So getting straight into melting the lace and also customizing it to look good on my head. I did use Got2b to kind of hold the hair up from the lace the way I wanted it to look on my head. So I'm not using it to hold the lace, but I'm using it to hold the hair. But it also does serve as an extra hold alongside the reinforcement that the wig comes in, like the silicone around the wig cap, and as well as the band and also the wig cap that was used to construct the wig. All those is holding this wig in place, okay? If you're familiar with my videos, my hair videos in particular, you know that I love glueless wigs. I wear and go wigs, so that's the kind of wig that you typically find on my channel. That kind of wigs that I'll typically review or talk about, because I'm not in the business of gluing wigs down, although I do glue wigs, but I don't glue it all the time. I usually wear my wigs glueless 90% of the time. Now I'm going to have all the links to this wig in the description box below. They do have this style or this cap construction in other style of wigs on the website, so if you're looking to try this out, I'll definitely recommend it. It is 100% glueless, it is snug, and the construction is so comfortable for your head. Now I'm gonna let you watch the rest of the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your.
Those of you that are listening in your car, at your job, you at home, I don't care where you at. Turn this up right now, cause we're about to go in. Hey, set